Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best brake light available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, PartSam brake light. This LED trailer tail light kit is an excellent upgrade for trucks, trailers, boats, campers, and other utility vehicles that demand reliable visibility and durability. The passenger side light features 15 LEDs and supports 6 essential functions, while the driver side unit incorporates 19 LEDs with an integrated license plate illuminator, providing 7 functions in one compact assembly. The lights deliver bright, highly visible stop, turn, tail, side marker, and reflector performance, enhancing safety during both daytime and nighttime operation. Built with fully sealed waterproof construction and rugged acrylic lenses, they effectively resist moisture, road spray, and harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for long-term outdoor use. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included gaskets and mounting hardware, though a wire harness must be purchased separately. Next up, we have Maxhall brake light. This complete trailer lighting kit delivers an excellent combination of convenience, safety, and durability for trailer owners seeking a reliable lighting upgrade. The package includes everything needed for a professional installation, featuring 2 bright 12V LED stop, tail, and turn signal lights, amber clearance lights, a license plate bracket, and a 22-foot split Y-style wiring harness. The color-coded harness significantly simplifies installation, making it accessible even for users with limited wiring experience. The LED lights provide exceptional brightness and visibility while consuming less power and lasting far longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, reducing maintenance costs over time. Built to meet DOT FMVSS 108 standards, the kit ensures legal road compliance and enhanced safety during day and night operation. Additionally, the UV-coated wiring harness offers superior resistance to sunlight, weather, and environmental wear, ensuring long-term reliability. Coming in at number 3, PIT 66 brake light. This third brake light is an excellent replacement option for 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 models, offering factory-style fitment and dependable performance at an affordable price. Designed to match OEM specifications, the housing, mounting points, and connector orientation align perfectly with the original unit, making installation quick and hassle-free. Most users can complete the replacement in less than 15 minutes using basic tools, without removing the headliner. The fully sealed DOT/SAE compliant housing, combined with a durable foam gasket, provides strong protection against moisture, dust, road salt, and harsh weather conditions, helping prevent leaks and fogging. Its bright halogen illumination delivers excellent visibility, ensuring brake signals are easily noticed by drivers behind you and contributing to safer driving. The UV-resistant lens further enhances longevity by resisting fading, cracking, and sun damage. With new bulbs and mounting screws included, this complete package offers a durable, reliable, and straightforward upgrade for aging factory brake lights. Now at number 4, Nilight brake light. These LED trailer tail lights deliver an impressive combination of brightness, durability, and ease of installation, making them an excellent upgrade for a wide variety of 12V vehicles. Each light is equipped with 10 high-quality SMD LEDs that provide intense illumination for brake and turn signal functions while maintaining a lower, clearly visible output for tail light operation. This dual brightness design significantly improves visibility and road safety, especially during nighttime driving. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included grommets and pre-wired 3-prong watertight plug, allowing users to complete the setup quickly with minimal effort. The upgraded design features reinforced side ears, improved grommet notches, and a tighter plug connection, ensuring a secure, vibration-resistant fit that stays reliable on rough roads. With IP65 waterproof protection and heavy silicone sealing, these lights perform confidently in rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. And finally, our last pick, Convitex brake light. This replacement tail light assembly is an excellent choice for 2015 to 2020 Yukon and Yukon XL owners seeking OEM-level fit, performance, and reliability without dealership pricing. Designed to match factory specifications exactly, it fits Denali, SLE, and SLT models seamlessly, eliminating compatibility concerns. The housing is constructed from durable ABS plastic and paired with a crystal clear lens, while its IP67 rated sealed design effectively protects against rain, dust, fog, and harsh road conditions. Equipped with 4 bright LED functions, including brake, turn signal, running light, and reverse light, it delivers outstanding visibility and faster illumination, helping improve driving safety in all conditions. Installation is exceptionally simple thanks to the true plug-and-play design, complete with wiring harness and bulbs, allowing most users to complete the replacement in minutes without modifications. Built to meet or exceed OEM standards and backed by a 1-year warranty, this tail light offers dependable performance, excellent durability, and strong value for Yukon owners. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.